Hello everyone. Welcome to Web Development Session 8. Now in today's class we will be learning anchor tag. So I hope everybody have heard this word before, anchor, which help us to connect, right? So in this HTML as well, whenever we talk about anchor, anchor is a tag basically help us to connect from one website to other website. Now let me show you one example with the project that I have made. So this is my project. Its name is Shopping Stop. Now let me show you the output of this project. So here in this project, I have made a heading, and there I can have like two shopping options here. So one I have Amazon, and the other website that I have is a Flipkart. Now, how does it work? So I have designed it in this way. Like if I click on this image itself, it will take me to a new page, and the Amazon website will get open. Same when you click on this Flipkart, your Flipkart website will get open, right? Even though we have these two options as well, like the links are provided with the lines itself, which is given over here, right? So I will try to make this one more shopping stop over here, which is Myntra. So let's try that. So after this HR tag, I'm going to start writing my code. So first of all, I want a heading of Myntra. So how will I do that? I will write H2, and in that I will be giving it a class because I've already defined my CSS there. So I'm giving my class as underline so that my heading would be a underline here. Now I'll write here Myntra. Now in this, I'm going to give one anchor tag because I want my image to take me to that website, right? So that means the anchor tag would be applied on this image. Now, what is anchor tag if you say? It's basically defines a hyperlink which is used to link from one page to other. And the most important attribute of anchor element is the href attribute. Now let me show you that how href work and how the anchor tag works. So for example, here I start writing anchor tag, then I give a reference here href equals to double quotes greater than sign. Now this is the basic structure of writing any anchor tag. Now there is one more thing over here. I can just press enter and you can see wherever I want to take my this page, whatever wherever I'm working, to the next page, that link will be done by this href attribute. Okay. Now, what I'm going to use, either I will click a label, or I will click a image, or it can be a button. Whatever a component which is taking me to the website is going to be written inside this anchor tag. So I will show you like all the things, all the possible things which can happen in this anchor tag. For example, I can either write a label. Let's write a label inside the anchor tag, and in this I can write click. Now when I see the output, I can see I have a click label. Now what it is, if I click on it, it will take me to my Myntra website. Right now it's not taking me to the Myntra website. Why? Because it's not open. So I have to give the attribute which is my href, that website link. So let's give the link. So I'm taking this link from the website itself and I'm copying it over here and pasting it. Now let's check this out. So now when I check and click, it takes me to the website, right? So that's how the anchor link works. Okay. So instead of label, if I now give an image, let's write image, img src, and I've already downloaded one image of Myntra. So I will use that image here, and let's give it a also width to the image. Let's say 400 px. So you can see over here that now I have an image of Myntra. Let me take it back. So when I do go live again, So now I have a Myntra image. Now when I click on this Myntra image, it will take me to the website. Now every time whenever it is taking me to the website, it is actually not getting it open into a new page. Either that page only loaded, right? So I want it should take me to the new page so that whatever my website, it remains the same, but it open into a new tab instead, right? So how will I do that? I'm going to use one code here, which is after my href. I can write here target, and then I can write here blank. If I do so, what will happen now whenever I use any of the target, for example, I open it. Now see the link opens into the next tab, and whatever my tab was here, it remains the same. So there is no problem, right? So you can now give a p tag and can write whatever you want to write regarding the website, okay, that you can write inside it. And yes, as I showed you that we can also use a label. So I can simply write here a tag href equals to, again I can give my Myntra link here, and then here again I can enter. So now what I want to write here, I want to give it a label which is visit Myntra website. Now what I will see here, I can see after this it's written visit Mantra website. So if I just click on it, it will take me to that website. Again, it is just loading the same page. So what I need to do is I need to write target blank over here so that it will open it into a new page, not loading into the same page, right? So I can just do go live one more time and open it. Right? So my previous panes remains the same. So that's the anchor tag for you guys, that whenever you use an anchor tag, the simplest thing you can write is the a tag. The attribute is href. Inside that, you will write the link where you want to go. Please write the target because you will open the link into a new tab. And what is taking you to that new tab? That is what you will be right inside the A tag. For example, from in my case, the image is taking me to the next page, or maybe if in your case it could be a button, so you can also write a button. You can write a label, anything that is taking you to the next page. That you can write it over here, right? So that's how we have completed this part. So if you have any query, please do let me know. And if you have any other question related to anchor tag, please comment down below. I'll try to answer it. And yes, see you all in the next class. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.